Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to access Recents section. It depends on which navigation method you have. The way you enter Recents section, like if you have 3 buttons navigation, you will have a Recents button on the right or on the left side, depending on your preferences. But if you have gesture navigation, just like me, what you have to do is to swipe your finger up like this and hold it, and after that you will open a Recents section. So here you can see all of your opened apps, and in order to close them all at once, you just tap Clear All, and after that all these apps will be closed and your memory will be freed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.